What are you doing, little girl?
I'm making Gulkand.
And what did you do? Can you tell everyone how to make Gulkand?
So first I got petals from the backyard. I washed it, and then I separated the petals in this napkin.
On this And now you're drying it.
And then now we are drying it.
And then what are you going to do with this?
We are putting all the petals in this
Jar, okay.
jar.
Then what are you going to add? I see that you've got something.
Oh yes, honey.
Honey and
Sugar.
are we going to add some cardamom powder too?
Yes.
And then what do we do?
Mixed everything.
Okay.
I've mixed the petals. I mixed honey. I mixed cardamom powder. And I've mixed sugar. Now I'm going to place it in the sunlight.
And then?
After some days, I just keep mixing it. And then after a few days, the Gulkand will be ready.
Thank you so much for sharing your recipe. My daughter said we leave it in the sun for a couple of days and we mix it. We leave it in the sun, get it back in the evening, get it home, and then mix it, and then the next day we put it back under the sun. So nicely cooks and sweetens. And then yes, we pour it and enjoy it. So I hope you all liked my daughter's recipe, and I hope you all make your own Gulkand, this sweet roast preserve recipe that we shared. And if you wish to see more such recipes or wish to see my daughter teach you something, then please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.